Every year, there's a frenzy of seasonal sales such as Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas, Boxing Day, and so on and so forth. But if you're using WooCommerce to manage your shop, you may have noticed that there's no easy way to set up site-wide sales and schedule them in advance, leaving you with a lot of admin work at your busiest time of year. In this video, I'll show you how to set up store-wide promotions such as percentage discounts and quantity-based pricing. Then you'll learn how to schedule these sales ahead of time, leaving you free to handle more important things during the holiday season. To set all this up, we need just one of our plugins from Barn 2, which is WooCommerce Discount Manager. Click the first link in the description below to test out the admin demo for this plugin or purchase a copy for yourself. The plugin is incredibly flexible, but I'm going to show you how to create two types of discounts: a simple store-wide percentage discount or quantity-based discounts to encourage customers to buy more. And lucky for you, for limited time, we're offering 30% off this plugin from the 23rd of October to the 8th of November, 2024. So get in quick so you can set up your store for Black Friday. After purchasing your copy, you'll get an email with the zip file and a product key for activation. In the WordPress admin, go to Plugins, Add New, and upload the plugin zip file that you just downloaded. Click Install and then Activate. You'll need to enter your license key, which you can do in the Setup Wizard. Then go to the Discounts tab under Marketing, Discounts. Now let's create our first discount. In this example, I'll be reducing the price of everything in my store by 30%. So to get started, click this Add New button, and that'll create a new discount type. You'll be presented with all of these different discount types, and you can see examples of how to use them over on the side here. In our case, we just need a simple discount, so let's click Create. Now let's give our discount a name. I'll call it Black Friday 30. Then you can choose where it will be applied. You can either apply it to a selection of products or product categories, or you can just apply it to all products, which is what I want to do because I'm creating a store-wide discount. Then you can choose either a fixed dollar amount for the discount or a percentage discount, which I would definitely recommend in this case. I'll make that 30% and then move on to the next step, where I want to enable the sale badge so people will see which items are on sale. The following settings apply to any discount type that you create. And first of all, you can apply the sale to everyone, which I definitely recommend, or you can narrow it down to selected roles or selected users who are signed up to your store. You can also create exclusions for specific items or categories if you don't want them to be on sale while you're discounting everything else. Further down here, we have availability. Now, if you're just testing out the sale and you want to see how it looks on your staging site, then leaving it always available means that the sale will be working. But if you want to set it up in advance, you can set specific dates like this. In my case, I want it to be available on Black Friday through till the Monday in December. So I'll set those dates like that. But because I want to demonstrate how this looks on the front end, I'm going to go back to choosing always available. Now here you can add some additional product page content. This could just simply be some text, or you could create a banner and add some media, or really anything that you want here. I'll just create something that will make it obvious that there's a sale happening. And this will appear on the individual product pages within your store. Then you can choose where it will be displayed. I'd like to put it before the product page content. You can also create a cart notice that will inform customers when the sale has been applied and they're on the cart page. Then click on Save. So let's see how that looks on our store. And remember, it's a good idea to test everything on a staging site before the launch date of the sale. So here's what my shop looks like without the sale applied. You can see the prices for the items here. Now I'll refresh the page. And this is what it looks like with the sale badges, which are set up by the site's theme, just so you know. And you can see the scratched out original price and the sale price is available here. Now, if I go to a specific item, I can see this notice here, Black Friday, 30% off everything. If I wanted, I could create a banner using Canva or something, and then I could display that on this page here. Now, as you may have already seen, the plugin can be used to create 6 different types of discounts. We already made a simple discount type, but you can also make a sale based on the total spend. For example, 10% off if you spend over $100. Free products can be used to create buy one, get one free offers or other similar types of offers. And then the last 3 are all based on product quantity. There's the buy X for a fixed price option. For example, people can add any 10 products for $100, or the buy X products for a Y discount option. Here you can see buy 5 products and get a 10% off discount. But what I want to focus on is the bulk pricing option, which is ideal for wholesale shops or for rewarding all types of customers that are spending more. You can set up tiered pricing, such as this 10% off for 5 or 20% off for 10 or more. So let's now create 3 different discount tiers using the bulk pricing option. Let's click on Create and give this discount a name. Again, we can choose if this will apply to all products or just a select number of products, for example, your bulk items. And then we need to choose how the sale will be applied. If you choose individual products, then the sale will only be applied per product. So if the minimum order for a discount is 5 items, you'll need to order 5 of one item to get the discount to apply. However, if you choose entire cart, then customers can enjoy the discount if they just have 5 items in total in their cart. Then once again, we can choose if we want it to be percentage-based or price-based. And then we can add the pricing tiers using this button here. Let's set our first tier as 5. So people who buy 4 or less items won't get a discount. And then we'll cap that off at 9 and we'll give them a 10% discount. We'll add a new tier and set it from 10 all the way up to 19, and those people will get a 20% discount. Then let's add one more tier for 20 plus items. Now I don't need to write plus, I just need to leave this box empty. And let's give them a 30% discount. And now that you've set up your tiered discount rules, it's important to inform customers about them so they can take advantage of them with the full knowledge of how much they'll be saving. Now, the clearest way to visualize the available discounts is with a table on the product page that looks something like this. So to display that table, we're going to check this box down here. And then scroll down and we have the same options as before. We can set up who the sale applies to. We can set exclusions. We can set up the availability, choosing specific dates if we want to. It'll be a good idea to add a sale banner or text or any other kind of information about the sale here. And let's move that to before the product title and set a cart notice. In this case, I'll just keep it simple and write sale applied. Then click on save. Just a quick tip here, make sure that the sale you are running is enabled using this toggle on the right here, and any sale that's positioned above another will have priority. So this sale will be applied before the ones beneath it. And after setting it up, it'll look something like this on the product page. You can also use the cart notice and static content such as a sale banner to inform customers about the offer. As always, you can find detailed documentation for the plugin in our knowledge base linked below. You might be wondering how to set up the other discount types within this plugin. Lucky for you, they're all in this video here. Or click on this link to get a copy of the plugin for yourself. And of course, thanks for watching.